Looking for a cost-effective way to provide a new car for your business? Business car leasing allows companies, partnerships, and sole traders to drive a brand new vehicle for an agreed period with fixed monthly payments and no need to purchase the car outright. You choose the vehicle, contract length, annual mileage, and initial rental that suit your business requirements. After the initial payment, you make fixed monthly rentals for the remainder of the agreement, helping your business plan its vehicle costs with greater confidence. At the end of the lease, simply return the vehicle, subject to the agreed mileage allowance and fair wear and tear guidelines. Business leasing can help protect your company's cash flow by avoiding the large upfront cost associated with purchasing a new vehicle. It also allows your business to access the latest cars, including petrol, diesel, hybrid, and fully electric models, without worrying about the vehicle's future resale value. Road tax is included for the full duration of the lease, and every new vehicle comes with the full manufacturer's warranty. Free delivery is also available to most mainland UK addresses. For greater control over your running costs, an optional maintenance package can usually be added to the agreement. Depending on the package selected, this may cover routine servicing, maintenance, and replacement tires, helping to reduce the risk of unexpected repair bills. Fully comprehensive motor insurance is required and is not included within the lease agreement. Business lease prices are normally displayed excluding VAT. VAT-registered businesses may be able to reclaim some or all of the VAT, depending on how the vehicle is used and current tax rules. The tax treatment of a leased vehicle will depend on your business circumstances, so you should speak to your accountant or tax advisor for guidance. All business lease agreements are subject to status, credit approval, and vehicle availability. Lease World offers competitive business car leasing deals across a wide range of manufacturers and models. Whether you need one vehicle or support with a larger business fleet, our experienced team can help you find a lease that suits your budget, mileage, and operational needs. Compare the latest business car lease deals online or contact Lease World for a tailored quotation. Lease World, drive more for less.